Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to mute someone in your Discord direct messages on mobile, you're in the right place. Maybe you need a break from notifications, or you just want some peace and quiet without leaving the conversation entirely. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to mute someone on Discord DM until you decide to turn it back on. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to your direct messages by tapping the chat bubble icon at the bottom of your screen. Find the conversation with the person you want to mute. Tap on that DM to open it. Now, here's an important step. At the very top of the chat, you'll see the user's name. Tap on their name to open their profile and settings for this conversation. Once you're on their profile page, look for the option that says Mute. It should be easy to spot among the settings. Tap on Mute, and you'll see several options for how long you want to mute notifications from this user. For this tutorial, choose the option that says, "Until I turn it back on." This means you won't receive any notifications from this person's DM until you decide to unmute them manually. It's the perfect solution if you want to take a break without worrying about missing important messages later on. And that's it. You've successfully muted someone on Discord DM, and you're in complete control. If you ever want to start receiving notifications again, just follow the same steps, tap on their name, and turn the mute setting off. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips and tricks. See you next time.